So there are a number of things that bring me joy in life and that money can't buy, but I'm just gonna say this is not one of them because I bought this and this gives me the utmost enjoy possible. It might be one of the best trolls. The BMW is now fully legal and we wanted to support our local police athletic league. So here we are. Today I'm probably gonna take her on a little bit of a test drive to see how she holds up. Remember, support your local police athletic league. Don't pull me over, please. Just please. If this deters one cop from not pulling me over, awesome. But if it doesn't, still pretty cool. Bit of a troll. All right, let's load her up. Let's go take her out for a spin. I gotta get past all of this dirt and sand. So she's gonna be a mini monster truck for a little bit. You're probably like wondering, hey, Tim, where have you been? Why no vids? I personally have not been posting. As you can see, we're in a new scene. I moved. My house is finally built and we're here with the BMW in its new home. We bought a bunch of land, built a house. That's what we've been doing over the last 2 years. And now we're finally here. And the BMW is here too. Let me get her loaded up. I got a GoPro in there. So today the goal is to break her in, go take her for a ride, see how she does. I might even go up the block, come back, who knows? But today we are taking the BMW on its first real road test. I'm not gonna try to break it, not just yet. Still needs a dyno. I need an alignment, exhaust, and dyno. The exhaust still needs some reworking. So alignment, exhaust, dyno, and then we can attend our first event. That's kind of the real goal. Let's get her situated and put some freaking gas in her. Let's put 3 gallons of E45 in there. Locally, nobody carries E85. Oh, by the way, it's freaking Halloween, so I don't want to get in too much trouble today. Pump some E. Kind of need the funnel or the tube. I'm gonna fill her up, I'm gonna warm her up. See you in the car. Shit. I did not like that. Alright, so now we're back at the house. Listen, this thing is popped out a second, jerking me all around. The only way to get it out of jerking is just pushing the clutch in. I'm not sure what the problem is, but we gotta get it figured out. I can drive it and have fun with it, but if I really want to go compete and do these things, I got to get this straightened out, man. Like, I'm not really sure why it keeps doing the things that it's doing. So, I mean, for now, I got to figure something out. First, I need gas. Car's too low. I don't know why it's doing the things that it's doing. So like I was saying, the car is all over the place. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but any gear, like fifth was okay. I was able to keep it there. I was ready to run out of gas. I'm gonna take the truck up and I'm just gonna put 93 in it for like 8 gallons. That should get me like north-ish to the gas station. I don't have a fuel gauge, so I don't know how much gas is actually in here, and I don't want to run it out. I did a couple little rolling burnies, so it's kind of like, yeah, let's not do that, huh? So for now, I wanted you guys to see the first drive on the vehicle and kind of taking it out. It's fucking awesome, and it's gonna be a rocket. It's gonna be a rocket. I have to straighten some things out, like always. You know, I'm no car builder, but guess what? I YouTube University my way to building this car, and here it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed me rolling around in the car and seeing the car, and our plan is to get it roadworthy to a point I can take it and get it tuned in Orlando with spec tuned, and we are going to fucking do something with this car, and I can't wait to show you guys the adventures. I'm gonna learn to drift. You guys are gonna learn what am I doing, how it's done, the problems, the complications, as you see. So if you like today's video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead, comment down below how dope it was. If you thought it was stupid, comment it was stupid. Guess what? You're not gonna hurt my feelings. All I know is go ahead and support this channel and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.